Hi children, this is your ANR sir, welcoming you to ANR Academy. Today I have come up with a new worksheet on squares and cubes. Today I have come up with a new worksheet on squares and cubes. This worksheet is for class 8 students. Your first question reads, when a number is multiplied by itself, the product is said to be dash of that number. When a number is multiplied by itself, when a number is multiplied by itself, the product is said to be dash of that number, square of that number. So here, what answer you get? Square. Suppose 2 into 2, what we call it? 2 square. 3 into 3, what we call it? 3 square. A into A, what we call it? A square. So your second question, the number of zeros at the end of the square of a number is dash the number of zeros at the end of the number. Your next question, the number of zeros at the end of a number is dash the number of zeros at the end of the number. Understood? Suppose you have taken 10. What is 10 square? 100. So in 10 you have 1 zero. And in its square you have 2 zeros. Clear? Next, let us take 100. 100 square. In 100 you have 2 zeros. In 100 square you have 4 zeros. 10,000. So, double. Here what answer you get? Double. The number of zeros at the end of the square of a number is double the number of zeros at the end of the number. Now this is your next question. When a n-digit number is squared, then the number of digits in the square thus obtained is. What is your next question? If when a n-digit number is squared, then the number of digits in the square thus obtained is dash. Suppose let us take a single digit number. 2. 2 to the 4. 9. 9 nines are 81. Clear? So like that, when you square a number, then the number of digits in the square thus obtained will be either double, that means 2n, or 2n minus 1. 2n or 2n minus 1. Clear? Suppose you multiplied a 2-digit number by itself. What you get? 121. 11 11 is 121. 11 is a 2-digit number. So you got a 3-digit number, 121. Clear? 2 into 2, 4, minus 1, 3. In the same way, if you multiply 99 with 99, then you get a 4-digit number. Then you get a 4-digit number. Clear? So I think you understood. When a n-digit number is squared, then the number of digits in square thus obtained will be either 2n or 2n minus 1. Now, Let us go to next question. If for if 41, if a square is equal to 41 or 7 square is equal to 49. What is given? 7 square is given 49. Then 0.49 means what? 0.49 means 0.7 square. If 7 square is equal to 49, then 0.7 square will be equal to 0.49. Clear? Next, the smallest number with which 16 should be multiplied to make it a perfect cube is. The smallest number with which 16 should be multiplied to make it a perfect cube. So for that, what we need to do, we have to find the prime factors of 16. We have to find the prime factors of 16. What are the prime factors of 16? 8 into 2. Again, you can write 8 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. To get a perfect cube, you need 2 more 2's here. You need 2 more 2's because this is one group. For this, you can take 1 2. Here you need 2 more 2's to make it 16 a perfect cube. 2 2's are how much? 4. So, the smallest number with which 16 should be multiplied to make it a perfect cube is what? 4. Clear? Now, let us take next question. The cube root of 125 is. The cube root of 125 is. The cube root of 125 is what? So to find the cube root, we need to write the prime factors of 125. We can write 125 as 5 into 25. Clear? Again, you can split 25 as 5 into 5. So here, how many 5's you have? 3. So, the cube root of 125 is what? 15. So, the cube root of 125 is 5. Shall we go to the next question? Yes. If the square of an odd number is always odd, is the given statement true? What is the given statement? The square of an odd number is always odd. It is true. So let us check this. 1 is odd number. What is square of 1? 1. 3 is odd number. What is 3 of 3? 9. 9 is a odd number. Next, 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 is an odd number. Next, 7. 7 7s are 49. 49 is an odd number. So, the square of an odd number is always odd is true. Next. The square of a proper fraction is always dash than itself. You see, proper fraction. So, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is a proper fraction. What is square of 1 by 2? 1 by 4. Here, this 1 by 4 is smaller than 1 by 2. 1 by 4 is smaller than 1 by 2. So, the square of a proper fraction is always smaller than itself. Always smaller than itself. Next. The square of a prime number is always prime. Is the given statement true? No. False. What is the reason? Prime number means it should not have any factor. Whereas square of a prime number, let us take 13. What is square of 13? 13 into 13. So here the square of this prime number has a factor other than 1. A factor other than 1. So this 13 square is not a prime number, it is a composite number. 13 square is not a prime number, it is a compound number. Composite number. So, the square of a prime number is always prime. This is a false statement. Let us go to the next question. The square root of a 4-digit number or 3-digit number, perfect square number, is a dash digit number. The square root of a 4-digit or a 3-digit perfect square number is dash digit number. It is a 2-digited number. A 2-digited number. You have 256. When we take the square root of this, what we do? From right to left, you take bar on 2 digits, and if one number is left, you keep a dot. That means the square root, you get a 2-digited number. In the same way, let us take a 4-digited number like 1996. From right to left, you have to take 2 digits in a block. So the square root, you get a 2-digited number. So always the square root of a 4-digit number or a 3-digit number, if it is a perfect square number, is a 2-digit number. Next question. If the units digit of a number is 2, then it does not have square root. Is the given statement true? Yes. Always this is true. If the units place number is 2, unit place should be 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. If unit place is 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 0, then it may be a perfect square. Like 1 1 is 1, 2 2 is 4, 5 5 is 25, unit place will be 5, 6 6 is 36, unit place will be 6, 7 7 is 49, unit place will be 9. 10 10s are 100, unit place will be 0. If you have these numbers in the unit place, then the given number may be a perfect square number. Suppose if you have 2, 3, 7, 8 in the unit place, then that number in any case may not be a perfect square number. Understood? If in the unit place, if you have 2, 3, 7 and 8, then that number in any case may not be what? A perfect square number. So if the units digit of a number is 2, then it does not have square root. This statement is true. If the unit digit of a perfect square is 5, then the unit digit of its square root is what? Here, 5. 5 5 is 25. Understood? Suppose in the units place, if you have 5, then in its square, sorry, here square root is asking. In the square root, you have 5. Like 25. What is square root of 25? 5. Suppose you have 625. 625. What is the square root of 625? 25. So in units place you have what? 5. So if the units digit of a perfect square is 5, then the units digit of its square root is 5. Clear? Next. The square root of a prime number can be obtained approximately but not exactly. In the given statement true, it is true. That means prime number means you cannot write it as the product of some factors, because to find the square root for two same factors you have to take one factor. So because it is a prime number, you cannot write it as product of two same numbers. Product of two same numbers. So this statement is what? True. Next. If x is a non-zero number, then x into x into x written as what? X cube. Written as what? X cube. And it is called what? Cube of x. What we call x into x into x? We call it cube of x. Clear? Now, a number n is a perfect cube only if there is an integer m such that n is equal to what? M cube. N is equal to what? M cube. A number n is a perfect cube only if there is an integer m such that n is equal to m cube. You see, 27 is a perfect cube because we can write it as 3 into 3 into 3 or 3 cube. In the same way, 8 is a perfect cube. The reason is what? We can write 2 into 2 into 2 or 2 cube. Clear? Next. The smallest number by which 81 should be divided to make it a perfect cube is. That means by what number? By what smallest number you should divide 81 to make a perfect cube. So you have to write the factors of 81. 81 is equal to what? 3 into 27. Your 27 is a perfect cube. 3 cube. So here 3 is left. Here 3 is left. So you need to divide 81 by 3. to make the number, the result as a perfect cube. Understood? You need to divide 81 by 3 to make the resulted number a perfect cube. Next, the cubes of the digits 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 are the ending in the same digits 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. Let us check the cube of 1, 1. What is the cube of 4? 4 into 4, 16. 16 4 ja 64, ends with 4. 5. What is the 5 cube? 125, ends with 5. In the same way, 6 cube. What is 6 cube? 6 into 6 into 6. That means 36, 6 yeah. How much 6 is yeah? 36, 3, 18 plus 3, 21, 2, 1, 6. So last digit is 6. In the same way, 9. 9 nines are 81 into 9, 729. So it ends with 9. So it is true or false? It is true. It is true. Next, the cubes of the numbers for which the digits in the units place are 2, 8 and 3, 7 ends in 8, 2 and 7, 3. Check. 2 cube. Already here you wrote 8. 2 cube 8. Ends with what? 8. In the same way, 8 cube. What is 8 cube? 8 into 8 into 8. 8 8 is a 64 into 8. 8 4 is a 32, 3, 40, 8 plus 3, 51. So it ends with 2. That means if the cubes of the numbers for which the digits in the units place are 2 and 8, the cubes unit place will be what? 8 and 2. In the same way, 3 and 7, 7, 3 respectively. You can check 3 into 3 into 3, 27. In units place we have 7. In the same way, 7 into 7 into 7, ending will be 3. 7 7 is 49 into 7, 7 9 is 63, unit place will be 3. Clear? If a number ends in 2 nines, then its cube ends in dash number of nines. Understood? Suppose if a number ends in 2 nines, suppose a number ends in 2 nines, then its cube ends in how many nines? So ends with how many nines? 2 nines. You can check that. You can check that. If a number ends in 2 nines, that means 99 cube. 99 cube means what? You can write 100 minus 1 cube. 100 minus 1 cube means what? 100 cube minus 3 into 100 into 99 minus 1. This is how much? 29700 minus 1. So this will be 29701. And if you subtract this from this, at the end you get 2 nines. You can check that. Clear? So the last question is, what is the digit in the units place of the cube of 31? That means you are interested with 1 only. 1 into 1, 1 into 1, 1. So it ends with what? 1. It ends with what? 1. Clear? So that ends our worksheet on squares and cubes. Again tomorrow I come up with some new problems. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you for watching the video. If you really enjoy my teaching, subscribe to my channel, Mathematics for All Examinations. Have a nice day.